everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins, and I want to show you some of the cool things I got at Dollar Tree, of course. It's probably going to get less and less because Christmas is going to be here in less than a month, right? No? Oh, you will? Almost.
Well,
yeah, today's the 20th or 21st, I think. Anyway, so I know a lot of people have made their crafts. I haven't started mine yet, but I'm going to start them today because I've been a little bit behind with 6 kids, getting everybody to appointments, homeschooling, all the stuff that a single mom does. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to show you some of the cute little collectibles they have, which you could use in your little domes. You could use it in little snow scenes, but they had some different ones that I have not seen before. Maybe they had them last year, but I didn't get them last year. So this one is like a little truck with a little Christmas tree, and it's red, and it has a little camper. I'm thinking that is so cute. Then it's like a little snowman, a little Santa Claus, and a little stand that will tell you which directions to go in. How cute is that?
that is cute.
I made some little boxes last year that were clear, and I made little snow scenes with lights, and I glued them in the little box. So many ways to use these. If you have the little Christmas villages, that's cool too. I did a little Christmas tree scene, and I put some of these in there. So you can do a lot with these. All right, this has a little wagon, and the guy's got a log, and he's putting the logs in the wagon, which I think, I mean, they're telling a story. And there's a little girl that's probably ice skating. Isn't that cute?
That's really cute.
Yeah, these I haven't seen. Like I said, I may have gotten in last year late or something, but if you did see these last year, let me know, because I was a little bit late to the game. All right, this has got the Santa mailbox, and this guy, I think, oh, he's the mailman. Oh, cool, he's a mailman. And a Christmas tree. Isn't that cool? Mm-hmm. My dad was a mailman. Is that ever cute? And then I got some stickers. They have every kind of stickers that you can imagine. I got these cute ones, 104. They're on sheets, which I decided just to pick these up because just in case I run out, but they've got some really cute ones. Got this also cute little tree skirt that I used. I bought 2 of them because I have some small Christmas trees, but I think these are really cute too, so you'll be able to see this one. It's got the little Santa Claus. They have one with a snowman, but I think for $1 it goes great. Probably gonna put it in here maybe, I don't know. I'd like to find a white one at the Dollar Tree. I got this adorable Santa. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with him yet, but it's a little gnome Santa, and he is just so cute. I'm thinking I might put him in a wreath. Look how cute he is, isn't he? He's a gnome Santa. How cute is that? Gosh, Dollar Tree always amazes me. They surprise me every time I go there. I always see something new. All right, I got, these were the last 3. Uh-oh, something just dropped. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna make bills and probably hang this outside of my door, maybe. But I got 3 of them. The lady said, do you want all 3 of them? They were all stuck together, and I said, yeah. But how cute would this be? You know, you can even do 2, or you could do 3, okay? And then I bought, because Dollar Tree has the cutest bows for $1. They have every kind of bow you can imagine. Should have taken some pictures. Maybe I have some on my phone that my daughter can get off. Because I think we did do some of those. So we'll try to, I think I'm going to use like a gold ribbon to tie them together so you don't really see, you know, the gold. But I think these are really nice. These were the last 3, so I'm sure they have the bells that are like a smooth plastic gold, but I think these look much more high-end. I'm sure, you know, you want to get high-end stuff. All right, they have every kind of Christmas balls. So I'm going to show you later what I did with some of mine. I made them into clusters, so that'll be on one of my videos. But they have the silver, the gold. They have the little ones, okay? They have bigger ones. So you can see the 3 different sizes, which she's going to show you. This is the rose gold, sort of like a pinkish. So there's 3 different sizes. And all of them come with, you know, matching little balls if you had to do that. So I think how cute. And they have the little dollar Christmas trees, which you can make fuller with some of their little garlands, adding that to it. I might show that. Okay. Got these cute little, they're hand soaps that you could put in your bathroom. I got the little Santa Claus. I got the little snowman. No, this is gingerbread. How cute is he? He's really cute. And they already have the soap in it, which makes it nice. And I got the Christmas tree. I think they had a snowman, but I only needed 3 for my bathrooms. How cute.
Very cute.
You want to show them?
Mm-hmm.
I love the gingerbread man. He's cute. I hope when you use it that the paint doesn't come off, you know, like especially.
That would be really sad.
Yeah, especially with the Santa Claus, because he's got the white beard.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And this one's cute too. And I found this other cup because I had 2 little ones that needed one. So the other one was a green one. So now I got this one, which has got the little spout that you just pull up. So they each have one now because I didn't want them to fight over them. But how cute are they? This is going to be a quick video because I really didn't get a lot because I'd already gotten a lot a couple weeks ago. So I love my little red trucks and I love my little boxes, but yeah, this is so cute. It's, you know, $1. It's definitely worth $1. It's metal and it'll last for years. This one I thought was really cute. It's a cardboard box, okay? And it's got like a little 3D car on it, truck on it, so you could pull it off and use it in a craft, which I think is really cute. I'm trying to see what else. Okay. We actually went to the stores looking for the hot chocolate bombs, and we did find it in our second trip. So how cute are these? They even have the chocolate spoons, which I could not find, and we did get the peppermint spoons last time if you look at my last haul. So I did get parchment paper because we're going to start baking cookies, and I got the, let's see, the oven bags for my turkey, but I'm just doing a turkey breast this year because I find the prices were cheaper than the whole turkeys. So I was really like, the turkeys were like $30, $30 or $40, and I'm like, wow, that's expensive. And I found the turkey breast for like $20, so I was like, I'm doing that. Okay, one other thing I want to show you, which I just loved, and I think that you should see because it's absolutely beautiful. But we went Christmas shopping at Ross for my kids to get them some clothes, and I found this beautiful, oh my god, I love this blanket. It's a throw. Look at, is this gorgeous? It was $14.99. It is really big. I mean, it's got the Sherpa on the inside. It's red. It's gorgeous. It's going to look so good in my living room for Christmas. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know if you could see the texture and then see the Sherpa. They had tons of throws at Ross. I mean, beautiful, beautiful throws. Every kind of color. Gorgeous. All right. So I found these. Well, you'll have to excuse my dog in the background. He's barking and my daughter needs to go down and my little girl is going to go down. All right. I found these headbands, which I thought were adorable. I'm saying you can use them in a video if you do DIY videos for makeup or beauty, because I think they would be so cute. I'm thinking New Year's Eve party, Thanksgiving party. They are adorable. They were $10. Look at these. And look, they look so cute on, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Cute on. And like I said, they were like $9.99. I just pulled the tags off so you could see it. This one, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And how fun these would be at a party. Seriously. If you have just a plain black dress and you want to dress it up, pop one of these on. This is a little bit different. It actually probably is shinier, but look how cute that is.
It has more of a pinkish, like, hue to it, too.
Yeah, so go by Ross. These are, I just couldn't believe it. They're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And I had one other thing, which was, oh, I went by Dollar General because we were sitting there, actually, we were at Popeyes eating a chicken sandwich. Their chicken sandwiches are the best. They're $3.99. If you haven't had the Popeye sandwich, the classic sandwich, oh my gosh. I had the first one a couple weeks ago, and I'm probably going to be like every week getting the Popeye sandwich. So we were in the parking lot of Dollar General. I thought, well, we're already here. Let's go in.
And we were starving.
And we've been shopping all day for Christmas presents for my family. So it was like, I think we went to Ross and Marshall's. But we spent, how many hours did we spend in Ross? We were in Ross forever.
I don't know. We were in there for like maybe 2.5 hours.
I thought it was longer. Oh my gosh.
Could have been longer.
Yeah, I was so tired. And normally I don't get tired. I can go forever. But man, that tired me out. I guess hunting for everything, the right thing for people. Anyway, look at this. So we ran in Dollar General. We were thinking candy. I was thinking candy. But I saw this. This was $14, which I thought, it is absolutely gorgeous. It's made out of glass. It's like made out of a, what do they call that glass? I forget what they call it. Mercury glass, yeah. So it looks like it might be made out of mercury glass, and they painted it like a white, like a dim white, but a shiny gold. And it is gorgeous. It's even got like a little mirror. This is probably, yeah, I love this. This was gorgeous. I'm going to be putting that in my Christmas decorations. I'm not sure yet. I might put a candle on it. Might do a flower pot on top. But that's it. Anyway, that's it. It's a good thing because I don't want to spend any more money. I have a ton of stuff that I can make crafts with. So hopefully for the next week, you'll be seeing, next 2 weeks, you'll be seeing Christmas crafts. So I'm excited to finally get them to you. And if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. And if you hit the subscribe button, I would love that. The like button and the notification bell. And I just want to say have a safe week and a blessed week. And we love you. Thank you for watching us, and take care.